Hello guys, it's Card, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make channel arts for your channel. So what I'm showing you on the screen now is some of my examples that I've made by myself using an app called Picsart. So as you can see, these are some examples and they are not very good, but they are decent to me. So if you want to know how to make them, stay tuned to find out. Yo guys, so what you're gonna do first is you're gonna go on Safari or Chrome or whatever you have, Mozilla Firefox, whatever, and you're gonna search for YouTube channel art template. So then you're gonna go on images and you're gonna save the first picture you see. So it should be like this, it's the gray one. Save it or add to photos. So to make the channel art, we're gonna be using Picsart. So this app, I will leave a link down in the description below. So open the app and then you add the photo that we just saved, which is the template. Now this is the most important part. So whenever you're making the channel art, it has to be in the text and logo safe area, which means anything, your logo, your text, it has to be inside the gray part, the text and logo safe area. 1546 multiplied by 423. That part only. It cannot be outside, it cannot be over the line, it has to be inside. So now add a photo of your logo or your face or whatever that resembles your channel. So I'm going to be adding my face in it, my cartoonic face inside, and then I'm going to add a text which says my channel name, which is Scarred. Now you can add anything, you can add caption, you can add a title, your channel name, you can add subtitles, whatever inside, as long as it stays inside the text and logo safe area. Now you can also change the color of your text, you can change the font, you can change the stroke. The stroke means the outline of your text, so you can change the color, you can change everything. So if you want to add your social media or anything like your Facebook, Instagram, anything, you can press on sticker and then you can search whatever you want. You can search the Instagram logo, the Facebook logo, the Twitch logo, Twitter logo, whatever, and then you just add it inside, and then you add text, and then you add your username inside it. You can also change the font of your username, you can change the color, you can change the stroke, whatever. So whatever you can change everything inside your channel art because it's yours. So now let's say you want to add your Facebook account in your channel art. Same as before, you press on sticker and then you type in Facebook logo and you choose which one's suitable, and then you add it in, and then you add your Facebook name. Simple as that. You can change the color of the Facebook name, you can change everything. So as the final step is you're gonna have to have a background color. So you can already save it from internet or from Safari or whatever, or you can search it on the sticker part. So let's say we want a purple background as what's shown on the screen. Then you press it, you add in the background color, and then you put it up top and expand it until it covers the whole template. And then as you can see up top is the button there, the stacking button. And then you press it and then press move down until it shows your logo, your title, whatever you just did before. So it should be like this, it should cover the whole screen, and now you press apply. After you press apply, you can press next, and then you can save the photos. So this is for extras. So if you want more stuff on your channel art, because you can see it kind of plain, but it doesn't matter, you can play around with the app. You can add lens flares, which I add right in the video. So what is lens flare? It makes your channel art kind of stand out, so people will kind of be attracted to your channel. You can change the color, you can make it less noticeable, because it's kind of distracting, but it makes your channel art more nice. So you can also add masks. So what are masks? These masks, they are kind of like lens flares. They make your channel art kind of stand out. After that, you press next, and then you can save it to photos. So after you've saved it on photos, you can find it in your photos like this.
Yeah, boy.